What I would like to do now is walk you through some of the features of the ebook in Connect Math. As you work through the modules, you will see the read, watch, practice assignments. The first thing you are to do is to read the particular section. So we can see here I'm supposed to read section 6.1, objectives 1 through 5, and section 6.2, objectives 1 and 2. So this link takes me to the MH Campus link, and from there I enter Connect Math. Make sure to click on Connect Math, and the ebook is in the upper right hand corner. So the first section I was supposed to read was section 6.1. So in the table of contents, I'm going to go to chapter 6, and I'm going to go to section 6.1. But first, let's take a look at this ebook. It looks just like a regular textbook. If you had the physical textbook in front of you and if you were flipping through the pages, this would be exactly what you see. But the ebook is interactive. There's links you can click on to go deeper into the material. So we needed section 6.1. So it's going to bring me directly to section 6.1, and you can see I was supposed to read objectives 1 through 5. So I can click on the objectives here, and that will take me straight to those objectives, or I can just continue to scroll through and read it page by page. So this is how you read through the ebook: definitions, explanations, properties, procedures, examples. Take notes on the examples, read through the step-by-step explanations. There's always a student check after each set of examples, so you can practice those and then check the answers at the end of the section. You'll also notice for each objective there's a lecture. So after you read through all the explanations in the ebook and take your notes, you get a general understanding of the topic. The lecture can clarify anything that you had questions on and help you get a deeper understanding of the material. So in the lecture, it's an instructor going through everything in that objective. They're going to explain the definitions to you, show you some examples of how to use those definitions or how to use these procedures. And then these examples that you see here, they will be working them out for you in the video. So if just reading this explanation isn't enough to help you understand how to go from step 1 to step 2 to step 3, etc., watching the video, somebody will be walking you through it. So let's see what it looks like.
This is the objective. Apply the product of like faces rule for exponents. Definition. Exponent. For a real number b and a natural number n, b raised to the power of n equals b times b times b, and so on.
So they will do a few examples right here showing you how that definition works. And if we fast forward a little bit, you'll see they also work out the examples step by step, explaining as they go. Another nice thing about the ebook is you can put in highlights. You can add a sticky note. So that sticky note I can put there, so when I am studying, I can look back at my important parts of the ebook that I wanted to make sure I remember. You can bookmark certain pages, and everything that you do is recorded in your notebook. So if I click on my notebook, you'll see the sticky notes that I created, and it will take me right back to it, so I can refer back to it later on when I'm studying for the midterm exam or the final exam or even a quiz. Another nice thing about the ebook is that it's searchable. So let's say you need help with a certain topic. Let's say you're having a hard time factoring a sum of cubes. So it's going to show me everywhere in the ebook that we mention a sum of cubes. So it tells you what the best match is, and it'll bring you directly to it. You can also access all the videos, chapter by chapter, So you saw here I clicked on media. And for chapter 6, there's a list of all the videos for chapter 6. So you can read through the captions to see what they are about. So if you're looking for a particular topic, you can read through and find the topic you want, and then you can go ahead and watch those videos. There's 2 types of videos. The ones that say lecture are going to go through the definitions and the procedures and all of the step-by-step examples that you see in the ebook. Whereas the ones that say exercise, those are quicker. It's a very focused on just one particular topic where it's going to do one particular problem for you and walk you through it. So it depends if you want a whole lesson on a topic, as if you're learning it for the first time, or an exercise where you just want some quick, focused help on a particular topic. These videos are also searchable. So let's say I need help with factoring a trinomial. Let's make it a little bit more clear. Let's just say factoring trinomials. And there we go. It's going to pop up any video that they have about factoring trinomials. Or let's say I need help with negative exponents. It's going to bring up all the videos on negative exponents. So hopefully you find all these options helpful and you find all these features helpful. The ebook is a really great resource, and I hope you learn how to use it.